This video is intended to help you learn to navigate how to upload an assignment or access your assignments. So this is not your first time, I'm sure, in Brightspace, but it's probably the beginning. So if I go to content, it's where all the action is. It starts off with the table of contents. Let's just say go down here to module number 1, where you'd find the first assignment. So in module number 1, on whole numbers, there's the plan for topic 1, and there's always a little piece down here. You'll find the assignment, assessments. And the first thing you'll see here is topic 1 assignment, submit here. And the assignment's in there. There's another way to access it as well. I'll click it here first to show you. Brings you to the actual folder. The folder has instructions which says, click the topic 1 assignment attached below. You can print it or do it on loose leaves right here. Take clear zoomed scans and submit them here. After you check and correct your assignment, submit the corrections here too. For example, click on the assignment. It takes you to another tab. So it doesn't show it in the video, but it opens up the assignment. When you have an assignment finished and scanned and you want to upload it, you click here, upload. Takes you to your Explorer file. Let's just say you had an assignment. I highly recommend that you make a folder system. I have a folder system for this course. Let's just say in section number 1, and I had a little folder called assignments. Put them in order by date. So, oh, look at that. There's topic 1 assignment. Let's just say that this one, which is an old assignment from last year, this was I'll take one from way down here. Answer key. So let's just say that was my answer key. Double click, brings it up right there. So now it's there, but it's not yet submitted until you click submit. You can add a comment if you wish. Before you do that, by typing in here, like if there's some issue, anything you want me to be aware of. Once you hit submit, you're going to see that the submission is there, the date is there. You often get an email. Now there's a rubric by which you can see how you're going to be graded. That pops up in a separate window. You can't see a separate window, but that's where you would access the rubric. I'll show you that in a little bit. Another place, which I actually like better to get at the assignments, is under the assessments, second one down, what's called the assignment Dropbox. So there's a couple drop boxes at the top. One for practicing making submissions, another for where your quiz scrapwork goes, and then there's each of the assignment folders for each topic. So topic 1 has a folder, topic 2 has a folder, of course, and so on. In the topic 1 folder, you just open it like this, click on it, and there's the same information. There's the assignment. Scroll down, it's a little bit different looking. There's the rubric by which you'd be marked. So you get 1 point if your assignment's in on time. You get 0.75 points if your assignment's in late, but you told me that it was going to be late. So it's almost perfect. If it's late but you didn't notify me, you get 0.25 out of 1. If you didn't submit it, of course, you're going to get a 0. Second criteria for assignments, you get 2 points if you've tried every question reasonably and you are showing me that you are doing the learning. 2 out of 2. You want to get 1 out of 2 if you tried 50% or more of the questions, left the rest blank. Okay, if you didn't do them all, but you still showed good evidence of learning on the ones you did try, 50% and above. If it's less than 50%, you're only going to get 0.5 because these assignments are freebies. If you try, there's no penalty for trying and making mistakes. You're only going to get 0.5 out of 2 if the work appears copied. Now down here, showing your work. 1 point criteria, you get 1 out of 1 if all the work is shown. You get 0.75 if you're missing some work. You get 0.5 if you haven't shown enough work, like just insufficient, just very poorly done. And no points if there's no work shown at all, out of 1. And the last criteria is corrections. So if you do and correct all of your mistakes and submit it before the test, 1 out of 1. You do most of your corrections, well, I'm going to give you not all the points, 0.75. If the corrections are not done well, insufficient, 0.25, or not doing them at all gets a 0. And if you scroll down, submitting the assignment is at the bottom. You would add a file here by doing that, same as before. Click on My Computer, upload a file, go to wherever, upload whatever, and then hit Add. And then don't click away too quick. You must always hit Submit. So now you should see that there's a file been added, the time, and you hit Done. And that'll take you. Now you should see here there's 2 submissions in Topic 1 folder. If you want to see your submissions, you can click on it here. I like this method, viewing history. Sometimes students will tell me they submitted it, but they really didn't. They forgot to hit Done or forgot to hit Submit or whatever. Under View History, you can check. Pick the appropriate folder you want to check. Let's check Topic 1. Hit Apply. There are 2 submissions. One made at 6:10, one made at 6:14 p.m. And today's date's August 21st. And they're right there. If I click on it, a separate window is going to open. Or actually, I'm going to have to download it. You can probably see down the bottom. And that's how you submit assignments. So again, they are available. The actual assignment is available in the content. So into the content section. Pick the appropriate module you're in, module number 1. Scroll down to the assignment, assessment here, assignment and quiz. You can click on the assignment folder. You can click on the document right there and download it. There are the 2 submissions showing right there. So it's also quite nicely done. And that is how you upload an assignment. Notice the assignment was already in the File Explorer. So it's a separate skill altogether to get it from a picture to a PDF to your computer. And that's explained in the technology booklet.